Okay, who wants the first bite? Okay, whose favorite dish is this?
I don't need it
So-
first because of one reason. I always get the biggest bite, so.
That's true. You will get the biggest bite. And then, because it's daughter's day, we'll give Anaya a bite, okay? And then, now,
The monster.
Mr. Arvan, let's see how big a bite you can handle. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You got the whole thing?
Uh.
Whoa, nice.
Hello everyone, we are back to Varun's kitchen. Today I am making something which my children really like. It is a traditional Kashmiri recipe, Rogan Josh. I'm sure you all have heard about it. Everyone loves to eat mutton at home. And the recipe that I'm making today is going to be slightly different from the usual because I have been making it for so many years. I've changed it to my taste and to how my children like it. I have warmed up about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. I am going to increase the temperature here so that it'll start boiling, and I'm going to add my dry ingredients in this. The masala that I have here is elaichi and laung and cinnamon stick. There's bay leaves and moti elaichi. In just a few seconds, I will be able to add the mutton. I'm also going to throw in just a pinch of heeng. Oh, the mustard oil is super hot. Okay, I'm going to go in and put the mutton in. Okay, I'm going to leave it here for just a couple of seconds. And I'm going to add in our salt. Salt is to taste. I'm putting a couple tablespoons, teaspoons, sorry, but you can put more if you need to. Today I'm going to be making Rogan Josh with curd. In this I will add, in the curd I'm going to put in my sonth and saunf powder, which is mixed in the curd so that the curd doesn't split when I add it to the hot meat. I'm only going to mix it a little bit. This is curd that is a few days old. It has tartness in it. If you don't have old curd, you could use a little bit of tamarind to give the khattapan. The tartness comes from curd that has been kept for a couple days. Now, slowly the mutton is going to start beating out water, and I'm going to cook it till the time the water evaporates, which will take about 5 to 7 minutes. At that point, we will put in our curd, but till then, let's just stir it every now and then. So my mutton has browned to my liking. I have brought the cooker off the heat because I don't want the curd to split when I add it at this point. I'm gonna just stir it in and make sure it is evenly spread on the mutton right here. And then I will put it back on heat. This is a recipe that I have got from my mom, and she has got her recipe from her mom-in-law. My dad is Kashmiri, but he's been his mom, his great-grandmom was in Kashmir. So I guess, we make the mutton in this manner. I'm going to bring it back on heat. I have been cooking this for just about 2 or 3 minutes, and now I'm going to add in the rest of my curd. Here I'm mixing my red chili powder to the curd, And you can put as much red chili powder as you wish. My children can take about 4 to 5 teaspoons of chili powder, and of course you can add more. The more you add, the more color you will get, because Kashmiri red chili is all about the color that you get. And if you don't have color in Rogan Josh, then it won't be Rogan Josh. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this, toss it around for another minute, and then we will wait for all this curd to evaporate. Our mutton has been cooking really well. I have mixed it a couple times. I'm now gonna put in 1 cup of water. There is a total of 1 liter of water that I'm going to be putting in this 1 kg of mutton, and it is going to go in bits and not go all at once, right? So it is going to be another couple minutes before I add in the rest of my water. Now we have added all the water that we needed to. You can see that the level is where the mutton is. We don't want to have less water in it. It's okay for it to evaporate slowly, but I'm going to be giving this about 4 to 5 whistles. So you have to make sure so much water is in there. The quality of meat is very, very important. Traditionally, we would go to the mutton shop and get the right cut of meat. But unfortunate, in Bangalore, I have found a very, very good, reliable source for high quality mutton. Crown Apron delivers to me. I just call them and I tell them this is what I'm making, and they send it across. So I'm gonna let this whistle away, and then when we come back, we'll open it and boil it a little bit more. I have already switched off the gas here because the mutton looks to be done. We're gonna open it and see what it looks like here. Oh wow, I think the color is perfect. Now the only thing I need to add at this point is some Kashmiri masala badi. This is a masala which is made into a disc. It is a combination of multiple spices. I get this from Kashmir. I have taken a third of the disc and added it to 1 tablespoon of hot water, and I'm gonna just drop it in there and mix it in this. Now we will boil it for about 10 minutes on slow. Let it simmer, and we will get the right flavor. But that's about it, guys. If you can see, the mutton is falling off the bone. This is how we want it, and we're ready to pounce on it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do try and subscribe to our channel.